Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Game theory gets easy when you hunt dominant strategies, so watch this quick breakdown and you will see why both firms make the same best. Start with Bygone and compare its payoffs across Cleared 4U's two possible choices. In each row, see whether recycling or composting gives Bygone 2 the higher profit, because that reveals a dominant strategy. Now do the same check for Cleared 4U by comparing the second payoff in each cell. If recycling beats composting no matter what Bygone 2 does, that strategy is dominant too. Since both firms get the better outcome from recycling in every comparison, both have dominant strategies to open recycling centers, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust what is given and check both firms step by step.